Hi, I will show Rapitaller app. It has a three environment. The first is the owner of vehicle, the other is the workshops or mechanical workshops, and the third is the shops to can found items or materials the workshop need to put in order to vehicles. In this part is a owner vehicles. You can see according the information which shop or which shop or which workshop you can find, no? According the model, according the brand, specialties to manage. According the workshops, for example, we can find this is a demo, no? We can find, for example, this is the shops, and they can add specific resources to the owner or the mechanical workshop can found and coordinate to buy it and deliver, no? The resource. The other is we have a lot of codes because it's important to maintain the information from owners very security. This part, this is the workshop, and the workshop has a document to permit to enter the information to next show to the owner, and they can put, no, the start according the service. So those three environments represent Rapitaller. It's a demo. We need maybe to have information, real information, to permit us how those stakeholders can to develop and show the purpose of the application in resolve issues or problems about the reliability, about the trust, about the velocity to respond of the shops and the workshops. Thank you.